YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to see the energies of all of our friends for the coming week for all of the zodiac signs starting from Aries until Pisces, and this is a timeless reading. So whenever you happen to click on this link from that particular day until say for a period of 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. If your sun or moon sign is any of these, you may check these readings. So let us begin with our first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. Okay. So there is an energy of impatience for our Aries friend in the coming week. The start of the week is like as if they are waiting on a news, a phone call from one of their family members, might be their parent, their brother, sister, or a friend from past. Okay, in the last week our Aries friends have got an opportunity of soulful joy that has come as a divine gift from a person who can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Libra, Aries, Gemini, Taurus person. So a blissful opportunity has already come to you in the last week. In the coming week, I see Monday, Tuesday, you are waiting on an information, or it is basically a period of looking at things from a different perspective, doing yoga, doing meditations, and having patience. Wednesday, Thursday, I see you interacting with your soul family. Now these can be people from the past of this life, or they can be people from the past of your other many lives. So there is going to be a pleasurable time in the midweek, and towards the end of the week I see you in a stagnation position, wherein you neither want to step forward nor you want to step back. You're listening to your intuition, and mostly you want to be in a non-interactive mode. Now this is also possible that it is either your energy or it is the energy of the person you are interacting in the mid of the week. So if you are seeking this spread with regard to a love scenario, it seems that in the last week you had a good relationship scenario with your family, friends, or lovers. I feel so, and there was clarity in communication. In the coming week, might be you are waiting on an information or a get together, some kind of a communication. Might be your partner is in this stagnant energy in the week, and they want to take time before making a final decision of some kind of a commitment, might be. Yes, so it is a time of introspection, it is a time of evaluation, re-evaluation, stepping back from the situation and seeing a bigger picture, and then making your decision. Might be you or them, they would be needing another week to make this decision. There is a card of axe over here, dear friends, which says forces working against you. So be careful, dear friends. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. So for many of our friends, the coming week is a time of spiritual awakening. Might be during your yoga, your meditation, your healings, there is a perspective of your past life that is being cleansed, that is being healed, and there is a new spiritual development and enlightenment that comes to you as a result of this cleansing in your body. Patience, please. Yeah, of course. I feel that in the coming week there is going to be a scenario wherein you are being asked to wait patiently, and the angels say what you're asking for is coming about. Have patience, as there are unseen factors that need to occur first. Yeah, exactly. With regard to a work scenario, also it is possible that an opportunity of soulful joy has been conveyed to you in the past week, and now there is a waiting period, might be for your second interview, or might be to know the results from the person who can be your colleague in the last companies, or might be somebody you knew who is manifesting this opportunity for you, but they want to take some time in final confirmation. However, I can tell you with these cards that it can manifest in your favor, but the need for you in the coming week is to see things from a different perspective, so to have a bigger view of the whole scenario, and to wait patiently, because in order to manifest anything big into your life, patience is the first quality that you need to have. Even if you want to pursue a relationship, even if you want to become a top cadre management employee, you need to learn to have patience, and might be that is your lesson which is being given to you in the coming week. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to all of our Aries friends, and let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So what is the guidance of the coming week for our Taurian friends? Let's see the guidance, the energies around. Ten of Rods in reverse, dear friends. I would see this card as a very, very beautiful, positive card. Alongside, we have the Hierophant. I feel that, next week there is going to be a big release of burdens from your life. Might be there was a person, might be your parents or somebody that, who was really suffering in their health, and mental health, physical health, somebody was really suffering, and they have been relieved of that pain in the recent past, I feel. So the last week also, I feel that you people have felt some relief of this energy. For most of you, this is a very severe blockage that has been released in your body or someone else's body who was really suffering in their mind, body and soul. Some of you have got an offer of surprise, an offer of soulful joy, satisfaction, a wish fulfillment in the last week, which has helped you release a lot many burdens. And this offer can be work related also, from a big organization, or might be you have finally decided to start a profession of your own. So yes, so it can be an offer of service, business or profession which is bringing you a lot of financial stability. That's what I feel. And for some of my other friends, this is an offer of a love marriage manifestation that has come to you from a person on whom you had a crush, and you were really stressed about this situation, and you felt as if nothing is in your control, and all those blockages, as you released from your body with the healings, you are manifesting this independence, this self-love, this great opportunity towards you in the coming week. For some of my friends, there is a big blessing coming from your ancestors, your deceased loved ones, your parents, your grandparents, your in-laws. Some kind of a heredity money or an offer of satisfaction, happiness comes to you from a commitment. It can be from a company or a committed married scenario. Might be your husband is blessing you, might be your in-laws or parents are blessing you, some such kind of an energy. However, I see a lot of abundance, and they say opportunities are waiting for you. Exactly, dear friends, you've released a great deal of a burden, blockages from your body, and as a result, I feel that emotional balance is now coming, grounding energy is around you, from the start of the week until the end of the week, I see a lot of grounding energies. I see a Taurian, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person very, very evident around you. And someone will gossip about your secrets, dear friends, and I feel the person who will gossip about your secrets can be a younger person or an immature person who is around you. So be careful. And this wish fulfillment which is happening for you can be with regard to your child. For some people it can be a period of manifestation of childbirth, and for others a new home energy is coming, and they say moving is a step in the right direction for you. So if you get an opportunity to move from another city, state or a country, or to move homes, if you've been given financial assistance and help from elderly people of the family, might be you are manifesting a new home or a move for yourself, which is a very beautiful. And here with the door card also, I did feel that a new home is manifesting for many of my friends. It is a very beautiful, blissful week for you. Love is manifesting for many of my friends in the coming week. So love, harmonious relationships, even if you are not seeking it for love and relationship, there can be harmony in your committed relationships, in your company. Good harmonious relationships and angelic blessings are coming for you in the coming week. It's a very, very beautiful week for our Taurian friends. Enjoy it thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to you. And let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So dear angels, Holy Spirits, how is the coming week going to be for our Gemini friends? What are the energy vibrations of the coming week? So if there was a situation of ego clashes and a lot of verbal fights also, abuse also, that can I feel that can a resolution in that kind of a situation can come for you in the coming week. I feel that, in the last week, some of my Gemini friends have felt a bit of heartbreak, and the universal energies are working behind you to manifest something into your life. And for many of you, I feel it is the healing of your heart chakra that is happening with this release, with this situation of heartbreak. It is possible that you did cry and release a few big blockages from your heart chakra in the last week. There was a situation that made you feel sad, that was of betrayal, backstabbing might be, or some kind of a loss, as we have a card over here, dear friends, which says sorrow over a loss. So might be there was a situation that so there's a card fallen very far off and it says good news. So in the coming week you are going to hear a good news from your family and friends. And in the last week, I feel that some of you have felt a lot of sorrow. It can actually be a loss of a friend or a family member, or a loss of a relationship because of many fights happening and around you. In the coming week, I see that Monday, Tuesday, the energies of you or a person around you are again very negative. They or you want to get into argumentations, abusive fights, wherein you or the other person just wants to win by hook or crook in a certain situation, and there can be deception, cheating, and there can be a third party scenario that you are feeling in this situation. So there can might be you or they are asking for some kind of a clarity in this situation. Mid of the week, I see that there are invitations of friends, families coming together, but somehow I feel that you do not want to attend these celebrations and you wish to sit alone in your isolation time, and you want to contemplate and be on your own and come into your own energies. So from the mid of the week, I feel that the energies are going to start to settle in your community, your friend circle, or your family. And but towards the end of the week, again I see you feeling lonely and wishing your time of isolation to give some healing to your emotions. So it is a very, very mixed time frame in the coming week, wherein mostly I am feeling that you are wishing isolation, you are wishing a time of introspection, you are wishing to be on your own to gain some knowledge or another perspective of the things that have happened with you in the last week. So mostly you are in this, you are remorsing over a loss that has occurred, but in the coming week there is going to be a news of good luck news. And here we also have a card wherein the universe says family wishes come true. So I feel that in the coming week there is going to be a good news coming to you, which is finally going to release you of this heartache. So mid of the week, I see you connecting with the community. Towards the end, you're nurturing yourself, you are keeping yourself in isolation, and just wishing to be on your own. So that kind of an energy, you're giving yourself some kind of emotional healing also. Zodiac signs that are most evident are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for you in the coming week. There's some kind of a holiday season on your mind, and the angels say the answers you're looking for can be found during a vacation retreat or a holiday getaway. It is possible that you want to plan a holiday with your partner or want to meet your friends and family members, and that is on your mind. In a work scenario also, I feel that it is possible in the last week there has been a scenario of some kind of a betrayal. There was a manipulative person around you who has it can be in a relationship scenario or as well in a work scenario, that the person you were giving your heart or the person you relied on turned out to be a manipulative person, and there were ego clashes. From the mid of the week, say Wednesday, Thursday until the weekend, I see the energies are changing. You're going to come in communication with like-minded people and who are going to help you see the situation with another perspective, and thereafter there can be transformations that occur in your energy also, and there will be some kind of an emotional healing happening for the sorrows that you feel over a loss. A certain family wish is going to come true for you, so expect some good news to come to you in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes to our Gemini friends, and let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So for our Cancerian friends, I've been seeing from say 3-4 exactly what I've been seeing is happening 3-4 weeks, that the energies around them, even with this card I can tell you the energies around them have been so disturbing. They have felt cheated, betrayed. So many people have tried to steal their informations, thefts around them, ego clashes around them, fights in the teamwork, maybe in the offices, so many challenges, competitions in the home also. I mean, they're going through a period of a lot of stress, physically, emotionally, mentally, And I really feel for my Cancerian friends. They are up, by now they've started feeling drained in their energy. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. What are the energies going to be for our Cancerian friends for the coming week? Two of Rods is a good card of exploration, of discovery, of getting an opportunity, a second chance, an opportunity of collaborating with like-minded people to move forward in order to manifest magic into their life. Thankfully, they are coming out of those confusing energies, those conflicting people, that kind of a scenario. They are coming out of that. In the last week, I feel, or just might be in the coming week, there is going to be a big clarity which comes to them. One might be from an earth sign person who can be a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus person, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person. And for others of my friends, so this clarity which comes to them can be with regard to their it can be in the relationship scenario. For most of them, okay, so it can be in their relationship scenario as well. It can be in the work area. So let me read it from the work perspective. So if you're checking this reading for a work perspective, I feel that an opportunity of financial manifestation is coming to you in the coming week. And there are going to be like-minded people who are like your soulmates, who connect with you might be in the company that you're already working, or this might be an opportunity of travel, movement, and manifestation of a new job, business, or career perspective, profession that you wanted to do, something that you've never done before, that manifests for you in the coming week. So there is a lot of harmony, there is a lot of balance that is going to be restored, which was not there. And this is an absolute new start. If you will see, this is card 0, this is card 1, and these two are card 2, which tells me that 0, 1, 2, that means a new cycle has now started to begin. I did feel that my Cancerian friends were on closure of a chapter in their life, and in the coming week a new cycle will begin for them. That is going to bring a lot of freedom, independence, harmonious relationships with the people who are their soulmates from this life or soulmates from past life. These partnerships are going to come to you. So exactly in a work scenario, there is going to be an opportunity of expansion, of discovery, of invention, partnerships. You are already on a solid ground. You already have a job, business, or a profession of your own, and you are given this another opportunity, and now you have to make your choices. So you are in this great position of making your choices in the coming week. And I feel in making these choices, you are being guided by the universal energies. Archangel Michael is by your side, and I feel that there are people, your soulmates might be from your family or in the work environment, who are joining up hands with you and helping you manifest something new. The choice that you're going to make is to pick up something new that is challenging. You're going to take a leap of faith into something new, and might be, most probably in many of my cases, for my Cancerian friends, I feel that this involves a journey, this involves travel, this involves exploration of new areas and something new to learn in their job area, job, business, or a new career altogether. These are fabulous energies. And definitely this, again I'm going to say, this blessing is coming from your deceased loved one in heaven. This blessing is coming from your ancestors. Say thanks to the deceased loved one. Some of you I see are joining hands with big corporations, big companies. In a love scenario, there is going to be love manifesting with the for you. If you were in a relationship with a partner who was casual, I feel they are going to you, or they can manifest a relationship of commitment in the coming week. If you propose to them or they propose to you for partnership and moving to the next level, it is going to manifest for you. For some of my friends, this is a time of manifestation of childbirth. Definitely, it's a very beautiful, blissful time frame as the new moon has just entered sign of Cancer on 9th of July 2021. You are manifesting new beginnings, and the month of October is highlighted here. So if there is the joining date of your companies or your movement, your travel is going to manifest in the month of October as well. With the hand card, I can definitely say that there are blessings of your deceased loved ones and your ancestors on you. If you were taking Reiki healing, pranic healing, if there were healers around you, there is a hand of a healer in manifestation of these big opportunities for you as well. There is in need of any help, assistance, there are people around you, so they say in need of help, assistance and guidance. Raise your hand, call upon those divine soulmates who are going to help you. For many of you, I do feel that there is a person around you who is helping you in the manifestation of your desire. I see an Aries person, an Aquarius person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Oh my God, Libra, Gemini. So many people around you. I feel that, a lot of support, appreciation, love, affection, name, fame, recognition is coming to you. Whatever lack you felt in last week, that was a very, very strong blockage in your chakra. And this blockage was that, you get dominated by people. Sometimes you do try to dominate them also. So there was an ego blockage in your chakra, or might be a fear blockage in your chakra, because of which you were getting dominated and you were losing your personal power. In the last week, with the help of healings, you've been able to exactly, dear friends, you've been able to express your individuality, and the moment you expressed your individuality, your authentic self, people started of the like mind, of the similar traits, started connecting towards you. This is a beautiful period of I'm getting goosebumps and vibrations all over my body. It's a very beautiful time frame of connecting with divine souls, and for some of you, it is a beginning of a spiritual journey. This is a coming together of divine souls, your higher self and you coming together for the manifestations of your desires. So here the card says, express yourself express your individuality, allow your true self to shine, because you're awesome. So very, very beautiful time frame. A big blessing is coming to you of commitment from an organization in your work area, or might be your visas getting approved, your child getting admission in a very good institute. Something big is manifesting, new is manifesting into your life. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, our Cancerian friends. And let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. What are the energies of the coming week for our Leo friends? Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful, beautiful. So stability, security, destiny shift is happening in the life of our Leo friends. The coming week is going to be a very, very lucky week for our Leo friends, and especially with regard to love, the Lover's card on the base. If you were stressed about, if you were in isolation and having sleepless nights and stressed about a relationship, you did your mirror work, you did work on the blockages that you had in your third eye chakra, your crown chakra, your negative thinking, and as a result, I feel what you're going to manifest in the coming week is safety, security, stability. The wheel of fortune is going to turn it towards you in your favor. And I do see a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Sagittarius person very very evident, Gemini person very evident, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person. So in the coming week there is going to be an opportunity of good luck, a lot of money manifestations for many of our friends in a relationship scenario. If you were looking for safety, security and stability in a relationship, it is possible that the person you were attracted towards gives you some kind of an initial commitment to start a relationship with you, and that is going to be a big destiny shift happening for you. For some of my other friends, if you're seeking this reading for your profession, I see that there is going to be an opportunity of a lot of passion, a lot of creativity which comes to you as an option, might be from the company you're already working in, and this is a seed to learn something new which can further shift your destiny and bring a lot of abundance into your life. For many of my other friends, this is a time frame wherein you are very fertile and you can manifest childbirth during this time frame. In all aspects, as a weekly reading, I can say that it is a very very lucky week. If you want to play lottery, there is going to be a certain sum of amount. I cannot say a big one, but a small sum of amount definitely is there for you to win. For some of my other friends, manifestations of home, a new job or some new profession, or might be just in your work area, or you're making some good money in the coming week. These opportunities can also be coming for your children. Apple, dear friends, temptations will test you. So in the coming week there can be some such situations. It can be related to any of your addictions. If you are addicted to food or drugs, drinks or caffeine, might be temptations will test you. If you are addicted to physical intimacy and over obsession, so might be you are tempted and there are people of younger age sent to you and your temptations are being tested. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So you're very intuitively connected to the divine realm in the coming week, as I see your third eye chakra is being cleansed. Some of you have started a course, learning a course about spirituality, might be card reading or Reiki healing, pranic healing, magnified healing, some such kind of a course that you're doing in the coming week. Might be some kind of a learning experience for many of our friends. Children card is here. So yes, this reading can be with regard to manifestation of childbirth in your life, or this opportunity of growth and destiny shift, or might be a love marriage or a new job or a new educative opportunity might be coming for your child. So they say your connection with children is a part of your life's purpose. So it is possible that there is some kind of a job that you are starting now, can be that of a school teacher or a tutor or some kind of connection with children in the coming week, and this is being highlighted to you that your life purpose is connected with children. So all in all, a very very productive and a lucky week for our Leo friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. And now let's move forward to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So what is going to be the energy of the coming week for our Virgo friends? So the coming week is going to be a very celebratory week for our Virgo friends. Right from the start of the week, we see them enjoying with their friends and family members, and Even during the mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, the sun is shining on them. A lot of name, fame, recognition, happiness, some kind of an happy news from their child can be also manifesting for them. In the last week, I feel that they've had a person who is a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person around them, who has brought them an opportunity of a good financial benefit or a good health, some kind of a good opportunity of financial benefit or clarity has come to them in the last week, wherein they are feeling very, very stable and secured. In the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, very, very festive energies, enjoying with friends and family members, good get-togethers. Might be you're attending some kind of a function also. Mid of the week, happiness, joy, success, prosperity, some good news from your child. Yes, answer for your love scenarios. Towards the weekend, I feel that you're feeling some kind of a lack. Now it is possible that you are not well. So, might be your health is not well, or might be health of a person around you is not well, or might be you feel a lack of cooperation from your partner or your siblings or parents, or might be some kind of a financial lack. That is just a temporary energy that I sense for you towards the weekend. However, the week, all in all, the week seems to be very happy and festive for you. Yes, so I feel that you are in your Virgo energies, and it is a time frame of introspection for you. Despite you being in this with so many people, or it is possible that you are in with groups of people, there are talks there, but there is somebody you are missing, and that is the feeling of the weekend. I sense that you miss somebody. Climbing towards success. Wow, beautiful. So there is an opportunity in a work scenario. I feel in the last week, if you gave an interview, you cracked that interview and manifest an opportunity of financial abundance for you, and so there is a celebratory time. However, might be you are feeling some kind of a lack in the package that you are getting, or some cooperation from your seniors. You're climbing towards ladder and success in the coming week. That's beautiful, and family wishes come true in the coming week. So my dear Virgo friends, all in all, I will say it is a beautiful week. It is just that might be you are missing somebody, and that is why you feel a little bit of lack on the weekend. Winter is the time frame that has been given for the manifestation of your desires. The family wishes that are coming true, might be fruitfulness of these wishes come true in the winter season. They say the answers to your prayers and affirmations are fully realized in the winter months. So not very far off, dear friends. So please rejuvenate your energy. It's a very, very beautiful week for you. Health seems to be good, and your heart chakra seems to be healing. Root chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra is healing, and the scarcity mindset is also being released. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to our Virgo friends. And let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So in the coming week, I see my Libran friends are working very diligently on a certain project. They are very well involved. Might be a start of a certain work, as in an apprenticeship or a new joining, or working on a new skill, or might be learning a new skill, and I see you thoroughly involved in it. On Monday, Tuesday, you are more focused on your finances and your stability. Even mid of the week, the energies are very beautiful, and a lot of grounding energy around you, wherein you are emphasizing a lot on paying attention to your daily needs, your daily routines, your exercising, your meditations, your yogas, and eating healthy and following a regime and a kind of a monotonous routine, but which is very helpful, as in when we want to ground our energies, when we want to be persistent, when we want to be consistent in our work areas, in our relationships. This kind of a monotonous routine, when followed for a week, can give you a very very stable, secured results. In the mid of the week, I see that a financial opportunity comes to you. For some of you, it can be manifestation of a new home. For some of you, it is a seed. It is a new opportunity, might be coming for your child, an opportunity of a stability, security, or learning. Might be you're joining some institute to learn a new skill that is a passion of yours, or might be it is for your child or your partner. So you are all in all very passionate about whatever you are doing in the coming week. Towards the weekend also, I feel that you are becoming a rock star. You're absolutely looking charismatic, and you're very passionate about pursuing whatever you want to do, just like a leader taking up the lead role. And in the last week, I feel that some of you were in argumentations with a person who is immature. Now this person can be either your child, or in a few cases this person can be your partner, who is childlike, who is not mature enough. And there can it's possible that you were looking for emotional stability and some kind of a relief in last week. I feel that your energies were very stressful. It is possible that there was a person around you who was causing these kinds of low energies, or might be while you were healing somebody or dealing with somebody, you were attracting low vibrational energies. Coming week is blissfully beautiful for you with regard to work. There is an opportunity for some of my Libran friends. Definitely it is a start of a new job, new profession, new business, or a new opportunity in a job, business, or profession that you pursue, which is your soul life mission, which is your you are very passionate about it. And might be you did feel that this is a big challenge for you, but trust me dear friends, you are ready for it. You can do it, and this is a destiny shift opportunity for you that you should avail. You must go in for this one. The zodiac signs which are evident around you are the earth signs and the fire signs. I see the earth and the fire energy very very evident. That is the Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, and a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person being evident. It can be an opportunity for you or for a person around you. For some of my other friends, if you are seeking this reading for a love stability, I do feel that there is an earth sign person or a fire sign person, and the relationship that you have with them, there is some kind of an age difference. Might be they are more matured or you are more mature, something of the sorts. But there is going to be a shift in the relationship scenario that was prevailing before. There is going to be healing. There is going to be a destiny shift towards positivity in this scenario. For some of my friends, this is a dealing with a child, and you are building a good reputation. You are becoming a mentor to your child in the coming week. There is a short journey indicated for our Libran friends, so you might be traveling in the coming week. And an older man who is evident for many of you, yes, he is an earth sign or a fire sign person. So there is a dealing and a relationship with an older man. So this older man, yes, that's why I was feeling that age difference is there. Can be your partner, your father, your father-in-law, or a person in a company. You know it better. And in the last week, I feel that there has been an ego clash, or there has been a very very some kind of an you felt suppressed, oppressed, repressed, suffocated, choked by this person, might be. And maybe the energies of this person were unstable, and that is why you also suffered in the last week. In the coming week, it is possible that their energies soothe, and so do yours also. So they say do some research. You need more information about this situation. Look into it further before proceeding. So if there is a course that you want to pursue for yourself or for your partner or your child, get some more information before you proceed into the, I do see books over here. So, before you opt for a particular teacher, lawyer, they are telling me, lawyer, it can be law based studies also. So seek more information, might be from more educated people, or might be Google some more institutes or teachers to give you more information. However, the coming week is a destiny shifting week for you. Beautiful energies coming out of those suffocating energies of the last week. I wish you all the best, my Libra friends. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. And now we move on to our Sagittarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. Let's see the energy vibrations for our Sagittarius friend. Freedom is manifesting in their life. Some opportunity. Some of you are absolutely deciding to become a spiritual healer, spiritual teacher. That kind of a clarity, that kind of a shift of perspective, a destiny shift has happened for your profession in the last week. I feel that this clarity came to you, that you are a spiritual person, and so you should be working in the profile of a spiritual healer, teacher, or spirituality is your line. So I feel that you've started expanding yourself and connecting with the like-minded teachers, or pursuing some education course, or you started working on this profile. For some of my other friends, an opportunity of travel, residential move has come in the last week. There was an interview, or you had a clarity with a person who can be Sagittarius or Libra, Aries or Leo person, and this person gave you clarity on your scenario, which is a destiny shift. So in the coming week, I do feel that an opportunity of travel, of movement to another city, state, or a country is going to manifest for you with a middle person involved in it. So Monday, Tuesday, very free spirited and traveling, and might be your child is this opportunity is manifesting for your child in another city, state, or a country. Wednesday, Thursday, I see you looking very handsome, very beautiful, manifesting a lot of things. That stagnant energy has started moving into your life. And towards the weekend also, I feel that you are waiting on your final confirmation from a person in authoritative position to come to you. So all in all, I feel that in control of your emotions. Some of you do feel, however, some of you do feel dominated by a person around you, and you want to take the control of your destiny in your hand. So however, I feel that freedom is manifesting into your life when you start to take the control of your hand, the magic wand into your hand, and start to move the things, stir the motion towards what you want to manifest into your life. So it is a time of travel manifesting, expansion manifesting into your life. A two-faced friend, dear friends, exactly I was feeling you are feeling dominated by somebody, and this can be a two-faced friend around you. Empty chair, dear friends, someone is leaving your life, and I feel that because this someone is leaving your life, a lot of freedom is coming towards you. It is possible that you have finally decided to leave a work scenario that was suffocating for you, or leave a certain relationship, cut your cords from a person, place, or a situation. In a relationship scenario, it is possible that you've decided to move away, shield and protect yourself from a casual partner who just wanted a casual relationship, and you might be deciding to move away from them and to look for other options coming towards you in the coming week. It is a perfect time, dear friends. They say this is the right time for you to move forward. Yes, dear friends, start to move this stagnant energy for you in the coming week. And easy does it, dear friends. They say stop trying so hard to control everything. Exactly, control. I was feeling that there is a person around you who is controlling, but it is possible that it is your own energy which is very dominating and controlling. On your child might be, or on your partner might be. So let go of this controlling energy, which is a negative blockage, might be in your body, to manifest things, relationships of expansion into your life. So they say stop trying so hard to control everything and all the doors will open for you. So let go of this controlling, dominating, obsessive energy, which can be one of your blockages, dear friends, and dear friends, go with the flow. It is a perfect timing for you to take the opportunities of expansion, of freedom, of growth, of movement that are coming towards you. All in all, I will say a very beautiful, blissful week wherein you can be releasing the blockages from your body which were holding you back from manifesting new into your life. Now let's move on to our Sagittarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. How the coming week. So very beautiful energies for our Sagittarius friends. A very quick communication is going to occur, a fast travel opportunity, some kind of an email, phone call, or somebody traveling coming towards them, and there is going to be a start of a new venture, a new passionate venture which is going to bring them a lot of success, name, fame, recognition in their work area. Most probably for many of you, I do feel that this is a financial success, an opportunity of financial success, stability, security and grounding that is happening for my Sagittarius friends. Very beautiful time frame, and I do hear some songs which are prayers. So if you will pray to the universe, this will manifest in even more beautiful ways for you. For many of my friends, this is manifestation of a new job about which you were very passionate. In your teamwork, if you're already working in a company, it is offer or a business, I feel that through your colleagues, through the members of your work team, you are going to be getting a lot of affection, appreciation, name, fame, recognition for the work, for the project that you're pursuing. There can be an email coming to you for this upgrade also, or a money raise or a position raise for you. And for some of my other friends, this is a new opportunity which is coming very swiftly, suddenly towards you, which is going to bring a lot of financial manifestations, a lot of financial benefit for you. Wealth is here, dear friends. For some of my other friends, this is a manifestation, some kind of a manifestation of a home, and lot of money coming to you from this home or property. Might be you're putting your home or property on rent, and so this blessing is coming to you, and you are collaborating with people who are very appreciative of your property and who will take good care. And in the last week also, I feel that you have felt very secured in your energies, very grounding energies. You felt financially very stable, secured, and emotionally also you felt very happy. This the zodiac signs which I see very evident around you are Leo, Aries, Gemini, Libra, and the earth sign Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus people are being very evident around you in the coming week, and the Cancerian person also they want to highlight. So in a job work scenario, I see an upgrade. If it is a new job, it will come to you. You will crack this interview. You will get the email of manifestation. New business, it will be in your favor with a lot of money manifestation. For some of you on a day-to-day basis, in this week you are going to earn a good amount in your business. There will be appreciation also. In a love scenario, if you're seeking this reading for a love and relationship scenario, I feel if you were single and wishing for a partner and commitment, in the coming week there can be a quick opportunity, a quick kind of an information, a new somebody you are working in a team, might be from your family or might be from your office area. A proposal comes to you which can manifest into an arranged marriage. That's what they tell me. or there can be an encounter, a passionate encounter with somebody. However, it is a very, very beautiful week for you for the manifestation of wealth. Your lower chakras are healing, and here there is another card, dear friends, wherein they say chair filled. Someone new is entering your life. So this someone new can be entering your life as your love partner or your business partner, or somebody is coming as your rental, joining your home on rent or something. Somebody who is coming into your life with the good luck of manifestation of wealth for you, dear friends. Ask for what you want, dear friends, is a guidance message from the universe, and they say let the universe and other people know what you need. This is a very, very beautiful week, and your health is perfect, beautiful, rejuvenated. You're feeling inspired, you're feeling passionate, vigorous, fast moving energy, energetic week, wonderful energies for you. Money is good, lot of abundance, lower chakras healing, lots of love and best wishes to my Sagittarius friends. It's a very, very beautiful, blissful week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Capricorn friends? So I feel that the start of the week, our Capricorn friends are feeling some kind of a heartbreak. There is a certain situation which is very mysterious around them, and that is making them feel heartbroken. For most of our Capricorn friends, this reading is around a love relationship, and it is possible that there is a person who is can be centered around love relationships or work choices. You were passionate about a certain opportunity of work for which you are very stressed, and your seniors have given you choices, and you feel heartbroken because you have not got what you wanted. Can be so. So in a love scenario, I feel that in the last week you were stressed about a Gemini Sagittarius person. He or she was on your mind. Monday, Tuesday, I see you facing some kind of heartbroken energies, shattered energies. I feel your heart chakra needs some kind of healing. Even Wednesday, Thursday, I feel that you are feeling very discontented, emotionally satisfied, and you want to move towards something else. Leave your partners, leave your relationships, and move towards something else that is bringing you soulful joy. Towards the weekend also, I feel that you're very, very stubborn and possessive about your relationships or your finances. So what is needed of you to in the coming week to let go of, release what is no longer serving you. Don't hold too tight to those relationships, to those work areas, those people, places and situations that are not serving you well, that are giving you heartbreaks, that are giving you hurts and betrayals. I feel that there has been a scenario of a third party situation in a love relationship that you have discovered, or might be it must be on your mind that has happened, which is bringing you a lot of sadness in the coming week. So I see you emotionally feeling unstable as well. You are feeling somewhere that your stability has been shaken. So that kind of an energy is around you. You need to work on your heart chakra and your sacral chakra in the coming week. However, there are going to be opportunities of carefree time. They say light-hearted carefree time. Towards the weekend, I feel you can enjoy some light-hearted carefree time, and happiness is ahead for you, dear friends. So if you opt to move away from these people who are giving you heartbreaks, who are cheaters, deceptors, and if you leave control of these relationships which are not giving you satisfaction, and the people around you who are not true, and also can be in a work scenario, and move towards something else, might be it involves some kind of a travel also, movement of homes also. This is going to bring a light-hearted, carefree energy and happiness into your life. The scenario involves your marriage, dear friends, and the angels say the fairies join you in the celebratory wedded bliss. So might be you are attending somebody's marriage also in the coming week, or it is possible that a situation of stability is manifesting into your life, or there has been a proposal that has come to you in the last week for marriage. However, you are to work on your energies to come out of your ex-lovers. Spring is the time frame, dear friends, when your desires will fully manifest as the flowers begin to bloom. And over here also with the flowers card, I feel that you can rejuvenate your energies by growing plants and flowers in your home, using floral perfumes and deodorants. So dear friends, there are blockages in your body. You need to take that healing of most powerful healing of forgiveness and letting go. That healing is going to help you out in manifestation of marriage in the coming spring season for you. So lots of love and best wishes to our Capricorn friends. And now we are going to move on to our next zodiac sign, and that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. The energies of the coming week for our Aquarian friends. So our Aquarian friends, I feel, have been fighting for somebody, have been very defensive about their energy, have been protecting themselves from people, places and situations that were negative, that were causing them heartbreaks. So Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you are defensive, your energies are defensive. There is a final release of a negative blockage that has to take place in your body. And yes, with the 10 of swords and the 4 of rods, I feel that the situations that were deceptive, the people who betrayed you, backstabbed you, you're coming out of that energy, coming into your 11/11 moments in the coming week. Only the energies of Monday are such that I feel you didn't give up on a person who can be a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, or an Aquarius person, or even a Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio person. And in the coming week, I see that a wish fulfillment will occur for you because you did not give up on this relationship, and a very, very happy home and secured family life is ahead for you. Commitments for many of you. Okay, so if you were away from your partners, living in isolation, I feel it is a time of combining with your families, getting back to your lovers, your partners. And for many of my other friends, the coming week is an opportunity of manifesting manifestation of work from home for you, and something new in your work area, wherein the work that you are manifesting now, the work that you are feeling now, feels like work from home to you. Some of you are absolutely becoming spiritual healers and teachers. A lot of healing. If you or a person around you was struggling in their health, I feel that that person is going to be healed, rejuvenation in their whatever you were fighting for, struggling for, is going to have hope, inspiration, and healing in the coming week. If there was a person, a relationship that you were fighting for, that relationship is going to manifest for you. If there was a job, there was an opportunity, a business expansion movement that you were seeking for, in the coming week there is going to be a wish fulfillment, and wealth is going to manifest for you for whatever profession, might be spirituality, profession, or business career change that comes to you. The angels say you are on a road to success. Wow, beautiful. So a big wish fulfillment with a soulful joy. Marriage is manifesting for some, travel, movement to another city, state, or a country, or might be you traveling, meeting up your families. Child manifestations for some, and a financial abundance opportunities for others. All in all, a very beautiful, blissful time frame for all of our Aquarius friends. A business venture. Wow. So they say trust and follow through a new business idea or a career opportunity. So a business or a career opportunity manifests for you as a wish fulfillment in the coming week, and for others it is a love and a marriage manifesting for them. Beautiful week for our Aquarius friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Whatever new idea for a business or career has come to you, it is your 1111 moment sent from the divine realm. Do follow that. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. So our Piscean friends are looking for some kind of a commitment in the love area, in their love area, or might be some kind of an option they are seeking from an institute, a big organization. Oh my God, what blissful energies for my Piscean friends. So manifestation of financial independence and financial, for some of my friends it is an opportunity to manifest a business or a profession of their own, if they ever wanted to do that for themselves. In the last week, some of you, I feel, have been on a holiday, and during this holiday time frame also you have been doing charity, and you were connected with an earth sign or an air sign person, like a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person. Start of the week only, Monday, Tuesday, big blessings and commitments coming in your love life, or your partners, or the company you're working with. Your seniors are telling you that you are about to have an upgrade, or you are getting offers, new work offers coming to you to start something of a lot of financial independence. Mid of the week also, I see love and harmonious relationships. For some of you, in a love scenario, you're meeting your lovers or having good communications with them. Harmonious time. Mid of the week, wheel of fortune, destiny shifting towards you, lower chakras healing, opportunities, abundance of finances from the universe is showering finance, abundance, stability in your relationships, and financial abundance in your life. Opportunity of freedom and independence financially is coming into your life. Very, very beautiful, blissful week with 3 major arcanas in your spread. This is a time frame of a big luck, of a love marriage manifesting for many of you. Choices from an organization of financial upgrade. Some of you are absolutely getting an opportunity to join hands in the organization and to become partners with the big organizations. Very, very beautiful time frame. There is there's going to be a dealing and a relationship with a woman in a coming week. Might be this woman brings these opportunities for you. The person who is evident, people who are evident in the coming week are Taurus, Gemini, and Sagittarius, and a Virgo person. These are the zodiac signs very, very evident for you in the coming week. Someone will gossip about your secrets, so be very careful, dear friends, with whom you are opening up about your secrets. Business venture, yeah, definitely I was feeling that, some kind of a career advancement or a business opportunity is coming to you. So they say trust and follow through on a business idea or a career opportunity. It's a time of a big luck and money manifesting into your life. Stability, security, enjoy yourself thoroughly well. A big week of a lot of happy times and manifestations, upgrades happening for you. Financial abundance, your lower chakras gaining stability, and some of you are absolutely deciding to become spiritual teachers, or you're connecting with spiritual healers or teachers. So I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends, and I wish you all the best, all of my friends on Healing Souls. Like our channel, subscribe our channel, and give your comments down below, and stay connected.